Hey guys, so over the weekend I was hosting, and this is how my house looks like. And yeah, this is the living room. I had removed everything apart from the couch, and I'll also put some extra sitting space. And yes, this is the morning after, and this is exactly how this living room is looking like, guys. So now December holidays, you know how people get together and you have some time together. Yes, so this was my turn to host, and yeah, this is how it is. I was hosting over 20 people here, and we had a good time. But guys, now the cleaning part, this is where I was at, and this is my corridor. I moved my table into the corridor. Yes, yeah, it's looking like this. And these are the extra plates that were used because now the sink was full. These plates are being used here. They were being kept here, I mean. And this is the kitchen, guys. I had dirty utensils everywhere. Look at how it's looking like. This one is the tabletop, the sink top. And then this one is the sink. It was so full. Yeah, I'll have to remove some of this while washing. And yeah, we had made some food. I had cooked some food, so you can imagine these are the leftovers. I have leftover food and stuff like that. So in this video, I'm just going to clean this place up and to reorganize it, and I hope that you'll enjoy watching it with me. It is so satisfying to transform this into a clean space. So please stick around to the end, leave a comment where you can, and God bless you as you watch.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing else
smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide.